Do subscribe Learn Nepal for more videos.
Dear friend, Namaste. This time I come with a video related to Unit 2, Judging from Appearance using Look. Here we are putting our judgment upon the people or upon the things using look, or with the help of sight, a sense of sight, we are putting our judgment. Therefore, we are using the sense verb look. Dear friend, we can put our judgment upon the people or upon the thing using look in three different ways. Let's be familiar with these three structures. So, if you want to put your judgment upon the people or upon the thing using only look, you have to use adjective after it, or look plus adjective. If you want to put your judgment upon the people or upon the thing using look like, if you are using like with look like, compulsorily you have to use noun or noun phrase. And if you are using look as if or look as though, as if and as though, they come to connect a sentence. Therefore, we have to use sentence. Sentence here means subject, verb, object. So, in these three ways, we can put our judgment upon the people or upon the thing using the sense verb look. Look plus adjective, look like plus noun or noun phrase, look as if or look as though plus sentence. For example, he looks happy. So here, happy is adjective, therefore we only use looks. Here, subject is singular, therefore we use looks. He looks happy. Similarly, she looks like a nurse. So she here looks like, because a nurse is a noun. Therefore, we use looks like, not she looks a nurse, but she looks like a nurse. Looks like plus noun. Similarly, he looks as if he is a doctor. So see here, as if plus sentence. Therefore, we are using here a sentence, he is a doctor, subject, verb, object. So in this way, we can put our judgment upon the people or upon the thing using look, look like, look as if, or look as though. So now let's make a judgment. Make a judgment, see the image and make your judgment. For example, he looks very sad, or he looks very depressed, or he looks like a drug addict, or he looks as if he has been dumped. So in this way, looks plus adjective, look like plus noun, and or noun phrase, look as if or look as though plus sentence. Similarly, let's see the image and make your judgment. For example, they look happily married. They look like a couple. Or they look as if they have heard a good news. Now let's make a judgment using the given sentence or given noun or given adjectives. Let's put them in a structure. He needs a wash, rather aggressive, or tramp, angry. He is going to start a fight. Dear friend, while composing your judgment, if the given question is a sentence, use as if it is adjective, use only look, and if it is noun or noun phrase, use look like or looks like. So let's see, he needs a wash. Here it is a sentence, he needs a wash, therefore we are using as if. He looks as if he needs a wash. Similarly, rather aggressive, it is adjective, therefore he looks rather aggressive. Similarly, a tramp, obviously it is a noun, you can see article there, therefore it is noun, so he looks like a tramp. Similarly, angry, yes, it is adjective, therefore he looks angry. Similarly, he is going to start a fight. Again, this is a sentence, and for sentence we use as if or as though. Therefore, he looks as if he is going to start a fight. Let's see the image, and here are given some judgments and put them in structures. Terribly complicated, it costs a lot, very elegant, something from outer space, it gives excellent reproduction. So again, follow the same rule. If adjective, use only look or looks. If it is noun, use a noun phrase, use look like or looks like. And if it is a sentence, use look as if or look as though. Terribly complicated, adjective, therefore it looks terribly complicated. It costs a lot, sentence, it costs a lot, therefore as if or as though. He looks as if or as though it costs a lot. Similarly, very elegant. So, adjective, it looks very elegant. Similarly, something from outer space, it is noun phrase. Yes, therefore use like. It looks like something from outer space. Similarly, it gives excellent reproduction. This is a sentence, therefore as if. It looks as if, it gives excellent reproduction. So now let's solve some of the questions that are given in 2.2. Looks as if or looks as though. Dear friend, here we are expressing our judgment upon the people or the thing using look as if or look as though. And you know very well, if we are using as if or as though, we have to, you can say, put a sentence or a clause. Therefore, our structure is going to be subject plus look or looks according to subject, and then as if or as though, and sentence, subject, verb, object, because we are using as if or as though. For example, let's see, you see a man lying on the ground in a pool of blood. So seeing this, you can say situation, you are making your judgment using look as if or look as though. For example, he looks as if he had just been shot. He looks as if he is seriously wounded, or he looks as if he is about to die. So in this way, you can put your judgment using as if or as though plus sentence. Let's see the first question. You see a girl standing on the seesaw staring into the water. Now, she looks as if she is going to dive. Here, your answer may vary. Yes, you can put your judgment on your own way. Similarly, second question, you see a man lying on the floor laughing. So, for me, he looks as if he is mad, or he looks as if he is extremely delighted. Remember, after as if or as though, you have to use a sentence. Similarly, you see a woman whose clothes are soaked and she is sneezing. And for me, she looks as if she had just come out of the rain. Similarly, you see a man lying underneath a car. So for me, he looks as if he is a mechanic. Similarly, you see someone climbing through a window. For me, he looks or she looks as if he has lost his door key, or he looks as if he is a thief. You can say in that way. Similarly, now let's try the other sense verb to express our judgment. Feel, smell, taste, sound, and then as if. Here previously we simply make our judgment upon the people from their appearance. Here we are making our judgment upon the things, upon the situation using other sense verb, but the structure would be the same. For example, you can hear people singing next door. You can hear. It means from the help of sense of hearing, you are making your judgment. Therefore, we are using here sound. So, they sound, or it sounds as if they are having a party. Similarly, when you open the door of your flat, there is a strong smell of smoke. So, there is a strong smell of smoke. It means here you are making your judgment with the help of sense of smelling. Therefore, you are using the sense verb smell. It smells as if something has just burnt down. Similarly, when you touch your writing desk, you notice it's sticky. It's sticky. You notice it's sticky. It means here you are making your judgment with the help of sense of touch. Therefore, here you are using the appropriate sense verb feel. So, it feels as if the desk has just been painted. When you drink a glass of water, you realize it certainly is not ordinary drinking water. So when you drink, you found this. It means you are making your judgment with the help of sense of taste. Therefore, you are using the appropriate sense verb taste. It tastes as if someone has mixed some alcoholic stuff in it.